Today's thought is practice like you have never won. Perform like you have never lost. Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope all of you are safe and fit at home, studying well and completing your work on time. This video is for the students of class 8th, subject English. And today in this video we are going to cover one chapter of PC Wren's grammar book. This is our chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is the preposition. This is my lecture number 2 of the same chapter. This chapter is taken from PC Wren's grammar book. Students, today in this video we shall learn object to a preposition and some more prepositions which are used in our daily life along with examples. After then we shall discuss the homework solution of the homework which was assigned you in lecture number 1 of chapter 15, that is the preposition. Students, let us see what is an object to a preposition. We have seen that the object to a preposition is a noun or pronoun. Sometimes, however, the object to a preposition is an adverb of time or place. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1. Since then means that time he has not shown his face. So as you can see that the word then works as an adverb of time in the sentence and also an object to a preposition since. Number 2. How far is it from here? Here means this place. So again, as you can see that here word works as an adverb of place in the sentence and also an object to a preposition from. Number 3rd sentence is it cannot last forever. So as you can see that the word ever works as an adverb of time in the sentence and an object to a preposition for. Sometimes the object to a preposition is an adverbial phrase. So let me clear you what is the meaning of adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase is a group of words that functions as an adverb. An adverb means which modifies or defines or tells us more about an adverb, an adjective and a verb in a sentence. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1. Each article was sold at over a ceiling. So here over a ceiling is an adverbial phrase and it shows how something is done, or we can say it is an adverbial phrase of manner. Number 2. He swore for dawn till far into the night. So far into the night, it is an adverbial phrase of time because it shows where something happens. Number 3rd, he did not see here till a few days ago. Same with example number 2 and 3, both are same. It is an adverbial phrase of time which shows where something happens. A clause can also be the object to a preposition. So first of all, let me clear you what is the meaning of clause. A sentence which is part of a large sentence is called a clause. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, pay careful attention to what I am going to say. So as you can see that what I am going to say is a clause of the sentence and which is an object to a preposition to. Number 2, there is no meaning in what you say. So here what you say, it is a clause which is an object to a preposition in. The object to a preposition when it is a relative pronoun is sometimes omitted. So let me clear you what is the meaning of relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means which shows relationship between two words, two nouns or pronouns. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, he is the man I was looking for. So as you can see that here whom is understood and it is a relative pronoun, so no need to write it. So we can say like this also, he is the man whom I was looking for. So here whom is understood, so no need to write it, so that's why we are omitting it. Same with example number 2, these are good rules to live by. So here which is understood and it is a relative pronoun, so no need to write it. Now let us see some rules to write prepositions in a particular manner. Prepositions are very commonly used in composition with verbs to form new verbs. Sometimes they are prefixed as number 1, overbid, number 2, overcome, number 3, overflow, number 4, overlook, number 5, undergo, number 6, undertake, number 7, uphold, number 8, withdraw, number 9, withhold, number 10, withstand. Now let us see rule number 2. More frequently, prepositions follow the verb and remain separate. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, he boasted of his accomplishments. So as you can see that of is a preposition which follows the verb boasted. They are spoken together but written separately. Same with example number 2, he looked for his watch everywhere. Now let us see rule number 3. We normally use in with cities, towns and villages. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, we stayed in London for 5 days. Number 2, I have lived in this village all my life. So now let us see rule number 4, but we use at when we think of a city, town or village as a point or station on a journey. For example, number 1, our plane stopped at London on the way to New York. Number 2, does the bus stop at that village? Now let us see rule number 5. We use in with the names of streets and at when we give the house number. For example, we live in Patel Street. Number 2, we live at 46 Patel Street. Note one thing, Americans use on with the names of streets. Now let us see rule number 6. We use on for the number of floor. For example, number 1, I live on the second floor. Now let us see rule number 7. We use on when we think of a place as a surface. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, he sat on a chair. Number 2, I will put the picture on the wall. Number 8 rule is we also use on when we think of a place as a line. To clarify it, let's see an example. Number 1, Varanasi is on the Ganga river. Now let us see rule number 9. With buildings, we can often use at or in. To clarify it, let's see some examples. We had lunch at or in Anand restaurant. Number 2, she works at or in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Rule number 10 is we use at for hours of the day. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, at 6 o'clock. Number 2, at 9:45 p.m. Rule number 11 is we also use at for holiday periods. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1, at Christmas. Number 2, at the weekend. Number 3, at Pongal. Now let us see rule number 12. We use on for days or dates. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1 on Thursday. Number 2 on 5th June. Number 3rd on Christmas Day. Now let us see rule number 13. We use in for months, seasons and years. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1 in December. Number 2 in winter. Number 3 in 2003. Now let us see rule number 14th. In is also used for parts of the day. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1. In the morning, afternoon or evening. But note one thing, for night we are using at. Let us see rule number 15th. If parts of the day are followed by days and dates, on is used. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1 on Sunday morning. Number 2 on the afternoon of 15th March. Note one thing, the use of since and for in the perfect tenses, as since is used with a point of time and for is used with a period of time. To clarify it, let's see an example. We have lived here since 1998 for 7 years. So as you can see the difference between since and for with the help of an example. Rule number 16 is till is used for time and to is used for place. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1. I slept till 8 o'clock. Number 2 is he walked to the end of the street. Let us see 17th rule, with often denotes the instrument and by the agent. To clarify it, let's see some example. Number 1. He killed 2 birds with 1 shot. Number 2. He was stabbed by a lunatic with a dagger. Rule number 18 is beside means at or by the side of, while besides means in addition to. To clarify it, let's see some examples. Number 1. Alex kneeled beside her. So here beside word is representing or showing by the side of. Number 2. Besides his children, there were present his nephews and niece. So here besides means in addition to. Number 3 is she knows 400 words besides numerous proper nouns. Be careful not to use beside for besides. Rule number 19 is we use by plus noun to say how somebody travels. We don't use the or a or an before the noun. We say, for example, number 1 by bicycle, number 2 by car, taxi, bus or train, number 3 by air or sea, number 4 by motorbike, number 5 by boat, ship or plane. Now let us see the last rule, that is 20th. We don't use by when the reference is to a specific bicycle, car, train, etc. We use on to mean a specific bicycle, bus, train, ship or plane, and in to mean a specific car, taxi, van or lorry. To clarify it, let's see some example. Number 1. Anil went there on my bike. So here we will not use by my bike. Number 2 is we traveled in Mr. Rahman's car. So we will not use here by Mr. Rahman's car. Number 3 is they came in a taxi. Number 4 is let us or let's go on the 2:30 bus. So that's all for today. Students, you have to complete your homework on the basis of the chapter explained by me. And your homework is revise chapter 15, that is the preposition, from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the topic, do exercises mentioned in the book PC Wren's Grammar as. Page number 84 and 85, exercise number 3. Page number 87, exercise number 4. Students, keep one thing in your mind, that you have to do these exercises in your book only. Still, many students are not having their PC Wren's grammar book with them. So here in this video, I have mentioned your homework in detail. So let us see exercise number 3 in detail. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Number 1, the dog ran dash the road. Number 2, the river flows dash the bridge. Number 3, he goes dash church Sunday. Number 4, the burglar jumped dash the compound wall. Number 5, I will sit dash my desk to do my lesson. Number 6 is, oh God, keep me dash sin. Number 7 is, I bought it dash rupees 45. Number 8 is, the exercise was written dash me dash a Parker pen. Number 9 is, it is 10 o'clock dash my watch. Number 10 is, there is nothing new dash the sun. Now let us see exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Number 1 is, I will see you dash 8:30 dash Sunday morning. Number 2 is, we intend to go dash Nagpur dash the weekend. Number 3 is, we live dash 95 Netaji Street. Number 4 is, I would like to go dash bus. I will go dash the 7:30 bus. Number 5 is, our plane stopped dash Mumbai dash the way Iran. Number 6 is, I hope to reach the station dash an hour at the outside. Number 7 is, the child has been missing dash yesterday. Number 8 is, the train is due dash 3 p.m. Number 9 is, he rushed dash my room panting for breath. Number 10 is, the express departs dash 3 p.m. dash Delhi. Number 11 is, an old feud existed dash the two families. Number 12 is, human sacrifice were practiced dash certain tribes. Number 13 is, I received his message dash 8 o'clock dash the morning. Number 14 is, dash last month I have seen him only once. Number 15 is, dash rice they had curry. Number 16 is, he has spent his life dash Kolkata. Students, now in this video we shall discuss the homework solution of the homework which was assigned you in lecture number 1 of chapter 15, that is the preposition. Students, I have already explained you meaning, types of preposition and a word used as an adverb or a preposition in our previous video. As I assigned you homework which was to be done by you on the basis of your understanding, and your homework was revise chapter 15, that is the preposition, from the book or video, and based on the understanding of the topic, do exercises mentioned in the book PC Wren's Grammar as. Page number 83 and 84 exercise number 1, page number 84 exercise number 2. So now let us discuss exercise number 1 in detail. Name the prepositions in the following sentences and tell the word which each governs. Number 1 is Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So in this sentence, the noun corner is in the accusative case governed by the preposition in. Number 2, Old Mother Hubbard, she went to the cupboard. In this sentence, the noun cupboard is in the accusative case governed by the preposition to. Number 3, the lion and the unicorn fought for the crown. In this sentence, the noun crown is in the accusative case governed by the preposition for. Number 4, such a number of rooks came over her head. In this sentence, the noun rooks is in accusative case governed by the preposition of. In the same sentence, there is one more preposition that is over and it is governs to the word head. Number 5, John Gilpin was a citizen of credit and renown. In this sentence, the noun credit and renown are in the accusative case governed by the preposition of. Number 6 is into the street the piper stepped. In this sentence, the noun street is in the accusative case governed by the preposition into. Number 7, mine be a cot beside the hill. In this sentence, the noun hill is in the accusative case governed by the preposition beside. Number 8, around my ivy porch shall spring each fragrant flower that drinks the dew. In this sentence, the noun porch is in the accusative case governed by the preposition around. Number 9, one crowded hour of glorious life is worth an age without a name. In this sentence, the noun life is in the accusative case governed by the preposition of. In the same sentence, there is one more preposition that is without. It governs the word name. Number 10, I tried to reason him out of his fears. In this sentence, the noun fears is in the accusative case governed by the preposition out of. Now let us see exercise number 2 in detail. Form sentences to illustrate the use of the following words. Number 1 as prepositions and number 2 as adverbs. Answer is number first word is behind. As a preposition, there is a garden behind the house. As an adverb, the dog was running behind. Number second word is up. As a preposition, sentence is it is difficult to climb up the hill. As an adverb, sentence is lift your head up. Number third word is by. As a preposition, sentence is he arrived by air. As an adverb, sentence is he buried by without a word. Number fourth word is along. As a preposition, sentence is he walked along the road. As an adverb, sentence is we were asked to move along. Number fifth word is in. As a preposition, sentence is there was nobody in the room. As an adverb, sentence is come in please. Number sixth word is about. As a preposition, sentence is what do you know about him? As an adverb, sentence is the children were running about. Number seventh word is beyond. As a preposition, sentence is I went beyond the museum. As an adverb, sentence is what is beyond you. Number 8th word is under. As a preposition, sentence is I have put the key under the bed. As an adverb, sentence is he pulled up the covers and crawled under. Number 9th word is before. As a preposition, sentence is he was brought before the magistrate. As an adverb, sentence is I have read the book before. Number 10th word is after. As a preposition, sentence is I can meet him after 4 o'clock. As an adverb, sentence is 2 months after he resigned from his job. That's all for today. This is the end of the lecture. Students, if you like our videos, please hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.